Good morning, it's not a beautiful day. Looks like we've had our full summer quota of sun. We'll kickstart this vlog anyways. You're trimmed, feeling fresh, gonna have breakfast, and then, judging by that clock, I'll be leaving for work in about half an hour. So, we'll jump back into things after I've had my 4-hour shift. I know that I'm booking tickets for Infinity Wars for Wednesday night, midnight one. Tickets are booked for the Avengers at midnight. I see this place all too often, but since I work here, I might as well reap the benefits. As you saw in another video, in the background there is, if I press the button to get into my car, in the background there was the new part of the centre that's getting built. I'm going to do time lapses of it as it goes and see the progression, but we are driving home. Okay, so as I said in the video yesterday, I am doing a live webinar with Shaw Academy. This is not sponsored. Doing it with Shaw Academy on photography. I've went for the advanced one, so we'll see how tonight goes, and it's on every Monday of every night. So that'll be what Monday night vlogs consist of. Although I can, if the opportunity arises, I can not do this and then revisit it later on and watch it later on. The joys of an internet-based diploma. But with that being said, I have 2 minutes in now before the webinar starts. After that, I will catch back up with you and let you know what I think of it.
Answers that you are getting. I'll also ask you as well to please rate the lesson at the end. So, your photography journey starts today. So we're beginning module number 1, which is 4 weeks altogether.
After a long hiatus between doing the online seminar, webinar thing, I went to the gym, and then now I'm back home. So, sorry I didn't record any of the gym, but I'm not one of those guys. Now I think we're just going to chill out, watch some stuff, and reply to some emails that I got while I was at the gym. Anyway, yeah guys, I'm going to leave this vlog here. As I said in the previous clip, I was doing that webinar. It appears to be of a beginner level, so I'm going to see how it pans out for the next few weeks. It's a 4-week course for the first module, so I'll see how it pans out for that. I'm going to send an email off to them saying that I'd selected the advanced course and whether there was any difference and whether I'd been signed up to the wrong one. However, because of that fact and that I can access it at any time, I decided to go to the gym, kickstart the routine that I was in the run-up to doing extras work on the Robert the Bruce film, The Outlaw King, and the Mary Queen of Scots film with Margot Robbie, etc. So I'm going to kickstart that regime. You'll see a wee bit of that in the vlogs. I'm not particularly a big filmer in the gym. I find it a wee bit posy. However, if you liked this video, leave a like rating. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave them down in the comment section below, and it would be much appreciated if you could subscribe. But as always guys, keep it real, hunt the thrill, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.